Ramadan Kareem, guys. So basically I've been doing insert a clip. I've been filming my minimalist room tour, so it will be up before this, so I'm going to put a link somewhere below here. Unfortunately the video is not up, but it's going to be up soon, so keep an eye out. But yeah, this is the first day of Ramadan. I'm going to be doing a Ramadan vlog, little tiny vlog, but I'm not going to be posting it daily because I can't. People that do it, kudos to you. This is not something I can be doing. I'm going to be taking some time, some days maybe, and compile the vlogs. So for today, I'm just going to go ahead and head out to Mustard Cafe, and I'll carry you all with me. Probably will do the rest of the vlog with my phone. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So even the ritual of making coffee is really something that I have missed, and it's actually quite addictive too because I need coffee. So I'm basically walking, trying to get a bike because I'm not going to be driving. Well, I came out with the intent to drive, but then somehow I changed my mind because I realized that yesterday the car I had to call somebody for the fuel pump, and I haven't done that. So I just figured, you know what, I'll just take a bike, walk for a minute, and then take a bike. Guys, what's up? So I've basically been here and we've been dealing with orders, and we are on our last order of the day, and I have forgot to even vlog until now. So my head currently hurts. I'm having this one-sided headache, and that's it. So but yeah, aside of that, let me pick out aside of that, after this one order, I'm just going to take a bike and go home. Oh my god, where is it? Oh yeah. Alright, so I'll see you later. Guys, so it's almost sorry, I was going to say Isha, Maghrib, and the last person just came and he got his order, so now I'm going home. Oh wait till I get Jamil na kasa wani abu cikin abun ga jog din nan. Menene? What's up? So I know you all haven't seen me since I came back, but that is because, well, number one, I was really just chilled at home doing. I filmed some parts of a video though. After I walked home. No, not walked home. I walked almost halfway home. Then I took a bike, and when I came back, I was just like, you know what? I'm tired. I was tired, but it wasn't all about being tired. And now I'm not wearing like covered long. My dress doesn't have a sleeve basically, so that's why you can only see my face. So yeah, but I had to stay at the cafe for iftar, and then I came back home, ate, hung out with my family, had coffee. Well, I had like 3 cups of coffee. So now I'm just having frozen yogurt, going to watch an episode and going to bed because I need to stick to a good strict bedtime. So a little recap of that day. It was really my caffeine level was so low. It was the first day of Ramadan. I was very slow. So yeah, let's move on to the next day. So let me just watch an episode and go to bed. Let me show you my frozen yogurt though. It's really good. You can get it at the Mustard Cafe. Plug. My mom does it. She's amazing. It's beautiful. So my frozen yogurt. Just got it from the freezer and it's really beautiful. So I don't even like yogurt, but this one, beautiful man. Beautiful. So okay, this is the next day. I'm watching the delicious Muhammad is making spring rolls. Hello, what's up? So I've literally been at home all day. I didn't go anywhere. I wanted to start vlogging today, like in the morning, but then I got so carried away because I've just been in the kitchen basically with my mom, Justin, and hanging out with my brother too. So yeah, I didn't do that like funny story, my mom and my brother made pizza, but they had no idea that the oven wasn't working. So it was after they were done that they realized that the oven actually isn't working, so they had to improvise. It was really funny. So I'm not actually fasting today. But somehow it feels like I'm fasting because I only had one meal, and it was I think a few minutes ago, and yeah, a cup of coffee. I'm grateful for that though. And also I've made a messenger, like, yeah, like I couldn't get one here, and I don't know where to get it, and I just saw that we had mayonnaise, and I made a messenger from it. So I'm excited about that too. So I actually said I was going to edit a lot of videos. I'm on my way to. I'm almost done editing one video. I haven't started on the other because I haven't finished filming the other section of it. So I will edit. I will film the other part of it and then start editing that one. So how's everybody doing? And I'm also going to have my iftar like everybody else. So yeah, I had a long iftar with my family, and now I'm just binge watching House and trying to upload a YouTube video. I'm also uploading a YouTube video. Multitasking. I'm basically lying down and watching a TV show. Oh, is this thing? It's been a few hours. Bismillah. Anyway, so this is how my night is going. Basically, nothing interesting. I'll go downstairs soon and get some pizza. Oh yeah, and my mom put in this non-stick frying pan, and she covered it up, and it came out fine, all right, I suppose. I can't wait to try to have it, so I'll go and get that. Until then, bye. Yep, the next day I was just down in coffee because lazy, they ended that kicking. God. So I've just been lounging here, eating leftover pizza and watching YouTube in Now Modern Family. Really slow day, but alhamdulillah. Look at my head like egg. So I'm basically just trying to edit, and well, I had to put on this because I wasn't wearing something that was covering me properly. Anyway, that is it. I figured change of scenery would be better, so I came downstairs and sat here with my laptop just trying to edit my life away. Today also I'm not going to the cafe. Yay. I haven't been to the cafe in 2 days, and like I'm so grateful because things are just going smoothly without me having to be there, and the joy that thing brings me. All right, honey. A little backstory about them pancakes. I really wanted pancakes, okay? I was just craving them. My mom did help, but I made majority of it. My sister thinks it's vital that I mention this. I don't understand why, okay? But I didn't make a lot of it. Also, look at that juice. It was fantastic. That was what I was showing you. My food. And do some work. Was going through. My head actually hurts, or it was hurting basically, and when I came I was really hungry. I couldn't wait. There was no light to everything looked amazing, but I couldn't wait to take a picture. But then after suppose you can see the tears in my eyes. Okay, you can't. So I woke up, I was feeling myself going to make breakfast, eating in front of my sister that was fasting, but then I got burnt. I cried. Guys, look at it. My hand got burnt. Like, I literally cried. I was barely able to move the hand. Like, look at it. Look at it. It's been a few minutes, I suppose, but I hate my sister. You guys, I'm giving her up. Yeah, I cried. I still feel like I'm suffering actually, because it's the first, like with oil. So, oh my god, look at my hand. It's literally all red and all squeezed in. And well, thank you for reducing my suffering. It still doesn't discount it. This is why you shouldn't have siblings, guys. Oh my god, I'm going through so much right now. I really am. I was trying to make breakfast, and then I ended up burning up my entire hand. Look at my hand. I'm able to laugh now, but before I wasn't. I hate my sister, guys. This is how I will kill her. Yeah, guys, this is the breakfast that got me burnt. So today I figured to at least go to the cafe. It has been 5 days, I suppose now, and I haven't been. So context. So I slept through the afternoon, and yeah. So I was going to go to Mustard Cafe because I hadn't been there for so long. I'm not going to vlog too much this day, so that's just it. Like always, showered, and I think I'm going to end this vlog today. I'm basically having this huge jar. This is my homemade mason jar. I am basically having this whole jar of it's quite. Can you see how big it is? Like it's quite big. I'm having it, and like I'm like I've been thirsty. So my mom made this fresh juice where she put a lot of fruits in it, and then you drink the juice out. So this is the juice, and it's got a really huge jar, and I put it in. So yeah. Alright, a little bit of context. I slept through the afternoon, woke up, came downstairs, and I got a lot of reviews on my phone about Mustard Cafe, so I got so excited. How delicious they enjoy Mustard Cafe's food. I go like this. Yes, I can't dance, but I go like that. I'm going to end the vlog today, inshallah. But if you actually, I think you just saw I danced. So yeah, how is everybody doing? After today, I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to go ahead to the cafe a little bit later, and yeah, I will let you all know how it turns. I think it should help. Should also tell you all that I'm actually not fasting. So this whole thing kind of contributes there. I'm just going to go and have breakfast again. Like I don't know why I'm not fasting, but I'm not having breakfast. Like it's past 3 now, and I haven't had breakfast. I really haven't. I'm trying to, because I only opened the curtains to do this dance and to make a vlog. Now I'm going to close it up. Hey, what's up? So I came back from the cafe not too long ago, and yes, I'm having this jar of juice. It's fresh juice, so at least it's fresh. It's fresh juice, at least it's fresh, but it's good. I don't understand, does this happen to you if you're not fasting but it's also Ramadan? You end up not eating till actually during iftar. Happens to me all the time. Like today, I didn't eat anything aside of that frozen yogurt till iftar time. Nothing. So came back from the cafe. Now I'm just sat here taking my juice and watching House and Cuddy fight. What's up? So I'm basically just going to go. I've been editing this vlog. I'm just going to situate you someplace else and continue doing that. Okay. Iftar Kareem, I suppose. Iftar Kareem, have a wonderful night. Cause I know I'll speak to you like this up close now. Cause I'm just going to place you someplace and continue my work. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. And also, please, in case I forget to say, tell me how you enjoyed this vlog, if you did enjoy the vlog, and if you'd like for me to continue vlogging for Ramadan, because yeah, it's pretty boring stuff because I don't do a lot. Do you get? I don't like go out a lot, especially with the lockdown and everything. So if you want me to continue showcasing my boring life, you still want that? Please comment, okay? Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please share with everybody, your family, your dog. Dogs need this to watch. They need to watch stuff like this. Okay. So you better share it with your dogs. Thank you. Sam Yusuf is amazing. Sam Yusuf is amazing. 100% recommend. Alright. I'm basically editing the room tour video, as you can see, and I go through this. See? So I'm trying to edit. Oh, look at this bag. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to find a place. I'm going to find a place to situate you